Hello guys, my name is Michelle from ModelingMichelle.com and I am back with another video. As you guys know, I am always super excited. If you watched my videos before, then you know I'm always super excited to be creating videos, and I'm excited to be bringing this one to you guys because it is actually an unboxing from one of the items off of my 2021 luxury wish list. But before we get into it, if you are a lover of all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle, luxury, then you are in the right place. Please be sure to like this video if you enjoy it and subscribe if you want to see more content like this from me. Anywho, let's get into it, y'all, because like I said, I'm excited. All right, you guys. So as I mentioned, this is actually one of the items from my 2021 luxury wish list. I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up and show it to you guys. And I'll also be sure to link, the wish list above so you guys can check it out if you haven't already. But let's go ahead and grab it. This is the box here. So if you watch the wish list, and you can probably guess because I think I only mentioned 2 Louis Vuitton items, but if you also just saw the video, like the title, then y'all know. But anyway, I love the anticipation anyway. So this is actually the box of the item here. I am going to go ahead and open it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the tag. I'm going to go ahead and just pull this off the ribbon. So this is the box right here. As I mentioned, it is a Louis Vuitton item. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, guys. So when you open it up, it does come with the receipt. So this is actually my receipt right here. And it also just comes with a card just thanking you for shopping from Louis Vuitton, receipt, and I guess in case if you want to return it as well. So all of that is here in this Louis Vuitton pouch. And then here it is. As you guys can see, it is in one bag, which means it is a bag. So let me actually just go ahead and put the box down. So let's go ahead and open this up together. So you open it up and guys, look at what I got. I am so excited for this bag. So if you don't know, this is the Pochette Metis from Louis Vuitton. It is just the cutest bag to me. I mentioned in my luxury wish list, the reason why I really love this bag is, one, I love the structure of the bag, but I also love the fact that you can wear it as a top handle and a crossbody. I just love the fact that this bag is so versatile, and it's also a very classic bag as well. So I feel like it's just gonna match with so many different things in my wardrobe. And I like the fact that it can be dressed up and down. I love versatility. So when I saw this bag, I was just like, I need it. I need it. So anyway, this is the Pochette Metis. And it has the monogram print, obviously, and then it also has the leather right here as well as right here. I don't have any other Louis Vuitton pieces that have this leather on top, the vachetta leather. So I'm interested to see how it's going to patina and how it's going to look, but either way, I'm excited. So to open the bag, you just push this down right here. Well, first, before we get into that, let me go ahead and tell you how I decided to choose this bag in terms of like the monogram. So what I should say is, let me tell you how I went ahead and got this bag. So I knew I wanted this bag, obviously it was on my wish list. And we went to the Louis Vuitton store. If you guys don't know what the Louis Vuitton store now, you have to wait like a pretty long time in line if you don't set an appointment. And we waited in line anyway, just because I wanted to see this bag in person before I officially bit the bullet. So we went inside, we were able to get inside, and they didn't have this regular monogram, they had the reverse monogram. So I'll be sure to include some clips, maybe here or here, of me actually in the store trying on the reverse monogram Pochette Metis. And let me tell y'all, I really loved it. I was gonna say surprisingly, I'm not surprised that I loved it, but I loved it more than I anticipated. So at the same time too, I was like, maybe I should get the reverse. But something was telling me just to hold off, and it may be best to get the monogram, like the regular one, and I'm glad I did, just because I feel like the reverse monogram, although it is still the classic structure of the Pochette Metis, I feel like it was just gonna be, I wasn't ready for that step yet. I still wanted to go ahead and build the classic monogram side of my luxury collection. So They didn't have this in store, so I went ahead and just bought it online when it became available. So anyway, let's just go ahead and open it up. So to open it, you do have to press down on the sides. And then when you press down, it pops open. It does have the plastic on the hardware, which I actually think I'm going to keep, because I saw online that you can actually buy plastic to keep it nice and well, just because I heard it does scratch easily. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and leave the plastic that comes with the bag. Anywho, you open it up and it does come with the cross. Ooh, this is the little card that always comes with their bags. It does come with the crossbody strap, and it has a little thing right here to kind of protect that part. And yeah, the crossbody strap is adjustable, which I do love as well. So we're going to put this to the side for now. Inside the bag does come with a few extra goodies. It does have a cloth. It does have a cloth interior. And yeah, so it has the card. It has a little tag here. And yeah, so it has the cloth interior, and it does have 2 sections, which is very, very roomy. I'm not a huge tote bag person or big bag person, so I feel like this bag is just the perfect size now that I have it in person. I was afraid it might be a little too big, but after I tried it on in store, and now that I have it here and I can actually like see it on me, I feel like it's just the perfect size. So it is very roomy. So you can close it, and then here it is. I'm going to go ahead and add the crossbody strap on the bag. As I mentioned, I purchased the bag online because I did not have it in store. All right, so this is it with the crossbody strap here. I can go ahead and put it on and show you guys. This is where it lands on me. I am kind of crouching down so you guys can see, but I am about 5'6", 5'7"-ish, and I feel like it lands in the perfect spot. So yeah, this is the Pochette Metis. I mean, isn't that cute? Like, or what? I personally love it. So I know that they do have the apple guard that you can actually put, I think a spray or something that you can put on the leather just so it doesn't wear too easily. And yeah, I mean, I think I'm going to do that. I am a little nervous to do it myself, I'm not gonna lie, but I am gonna do more research into it. Like I said, this is the first Louis Vuitton piece that actually has this leather that I personally have, and I want it to be in the best condition as possible for as long as possible. So I am going to look into that to see if I can go ahead and get that done. I would love if somebody could do it for me. I wish they offered that at the Louis Vuitton store, but maybe that's like a liability, so they ain't checking. All right, let's see what else this bag has going on. Oh, I forgot to mention, it does have the zipper here in the back, which is another great opportunity to put stuff in. And it does have that same cloth. I can't show you guys, but it does have that same like chocolate brown cloth material on the inside of that as well. I think that'll be super cool just to put like, you know, smaller things. I can even zip my phone up and put it in there as well, just because this bag is just so roomy. It's going to fit so many different things. And yeah, I mean, this is just an initial unboxing. I know there are, you know, some things that people have said about the Pochette Metis in the past. I haven't watched too many of those videos, but I do know that I plan on taking really good care of this, and I'm going to definitely reach out to Louis Vuitton if I notice anything happens to the bag. If I feel like something isn't right, I'm going to absolutely reach out to them, and I definitely recommend reaching out to any luxury store if you notice something is off, just because you're spending that much money on something, so it should be perfect. You know what I mean? So if anything is wrong with it, if anything feels off, even if it's a year later, still recommend reaching out to them just so you can make sure that you're getting your money's worth off of your bag. So anyway, here is the bag right here. As I mentioned, I just love this bag so much. I'm super excited to show you guys more videos with this bag. If you guys would like to see a what's in my bag with this bag, please be sure to let me know. I would definitely love to film that as well, just so you can see how much can actually fit in this bag. Especially because of the sides right here, it expands. I don't plan on cramming it just because I don't carry too much anyway, but I can definitely show you guys that as well. So yeah, here's my bag, y'all. I know my voice got like really high, but I'm excited. I'm excited to actually wear her out. I received her in the mail and I have not worn her yet just because I was waiting to film this video. So now that I officially filmed this video, I will be sure to be wearing this bag and styling it up for sure. And I'll be sure to include any photos on my Instagram. So please be sure to check me out there at Modernly Michelle, just so you can see this bag styled up. You know what I mean? So anyway, y'all, that's all I have to say. If you guys watch my videos, then you know my reviews are pretty straight to the point. I love just getting to it, showing you guys the bag, giving you some details, and calling it a day. If you do want to see more about this bag, just like sizing and pricing and all of that, I'll be sure to include the link below to the Louis Vuitton store where I purchased it from. I know you can also get it off of the resale market if you'd like to as well. So yeah, that is the unboxing of my new Pochette Metis. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions for me, if there was anything that I missed out on, please be sure to include it in the comments below, and I can definitely answer any of those for you. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if there are any videos that you'd like to see from me, you can also include them down below in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram at Modernly Michelle, and I will make those for you. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Bye, guys.